Well, Vice President Leni Robredo and Manila Mayor Isko Moreno team up to run in the 2022 elections. Speculation about a possible Robredo-Moreno tandem rose when the two officials launched Vaccine Express, a joint project to boost COVID-19 vaccination efforts. The project aims to make vaccination accessible for economic frontliners who belong to the A4 priority group. The local government provided vaccines for tricycle drivers, pedicab, and delivery riders. According to Moreno, Robredo's office provided the medical personnel who administered the vaccines. The drive-through vaccination program took place at the Cultural Center of the Philippines Activity Grounds in Malate, Manila, with the help of volunteer doctors, nurses, and other medical staff from UST, FEU, and UP Manila. In a tweet, Robredo said she looks forward to having another collaboration with Moreno.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.